Hello, everyone. I'm Adri. I'm here with Sara, and we met the other day on the first session of the Homegrown course. And now we're going to show you how to upload the assignments that you need to do for this course. Okay. The first step would be to go to our Discourse chat GS training and click on the link that Knut has uploaded. This one that you see here. We're going to click on it, and then you will be able to go to Notion. As you can see, once you click your here in Notion, first you will need to ask for access, and once you have been approved, you will have this view basically. And here you can see my table of assignments from when I did the Homegrown course before. Here you can see all the different assignments that I did. And if you take a look, we can see that each assignment has a description. Each assignment has a category for the different week of the course, also a status to know if it's done or if it's in progress. It also has the date and a reviewer because the main objective of this Notion page for us for the assignments is to be able to peer review the different assignments so everyone gets to know each other a little bit more. So the question now is, how can you have a table like this on your own? Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to click on a new document. Okay, you need to create a new document. You can put, for example, assignment 1 as a title because you're not gonna title the assignments as Mary and I did for the course, but you would need to call them assignment 1, assignment 2, until assignment number 21. Okay, perfect. Once you have created an assignment, you have your own table. Okay, here you can see it for Sara. We have a table here. And now, what do you need to fill in? Well, the empty gaps. First, the description. You can copy it from my table and paste it on yours. So you can have a description for each assignment like this. Exactly. Then you also need to choose a category. In this case, since it's for the first week of the course, we choose coursework week number 1. The status, in this case, if it's finished, we click on done, so we know it's already finished. The date is automatic. You don't need to worry about that. And then someone has to pick your assignment as a reviewer. For example, I can be the reviewer of this assignment from Sara. The reviewer also can choose a status, so we know it has been reviewed. And yes, it's important that you also get to pick assignments from other participants to review them, so you can also get to know them a little bit more. I hope this makes it easy to create a table of assignments, and please feel free to contact if you have any doubts, and see you very soon on the next session of the course. Thank you so much.